Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Haute Bella experience. In today's video, you guys, I am going to be talking about skincare. I've talked about skincare once before. I did a video not too long ago where I tried some of the products from Curology, and those products worked well. I've also tried some other over-the-counter products in regards to my skincare, and I feel like I did get some benefits from those products. But I am going to hit a milestone birthday next year. So this year, for the remainder of 2023 and for 2024, I am going through some things. There's some things that I really would like to take care of in regards to my own personal wants and needs when it comes to my skincare. You guys have heard me talk about my problem areas for quite some time, and I want to try to do something or a little bit more to resolve or even get more improvement in those problem areas. You guys have heard me talk about my under eye area. That is one of my problem areas. I also have some discoloration that's on my skin. I have little freckles or little age spots that are starting to show up all over my skin. I've got some hyperpigmentation in my mouth area. I want to do whatever I can to get rid of those things. So I decided to try the online dermatology and pharmacy services coming from the agency by Curology. Curology is an online dermatologist and pharmacy type of service. However, they cater a little bit more towards acne-prone skin. At my age, acne-prone skin is not what I'm dealing with. I'm dealing with the problems that comes with maturing skin. And since Curology was aware of that distinction of services or dermatologist needs, they did a spinoff and came up with the agency by Curology. And the agency dermatology and pharmacist services are geared more towards more mature skin. So I went online and I filled out the survey and I provided them with a photo, an unfiltered raw photo of my skin. I checked the boxes for the things that I wanted to take care of. Those are the things I mentioned to you earlier: my under eye area, the dark spots on my skin, some of the texture, some of the dryness. Those are all the areas that I wanted to take care of. I checked those boxes on the online survey and they came up with a prescription that is specifically for me. This is my box from the agency by Curology, and inside it has all of the prescriptions that they sent to me and a couple of little extras. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in this box, and we're going to talk about the benefits of the ingredients that I have in my particular prescription. The first item I'm going to talk about that came in my box is the Cloud Care Cream Oil Cleanser. This is a makeup melting, glow restoring cream oil wash. It leaves your freshly cleansed skin smooth, soft, and hydrated. I also have the Cloud Care Weightless Whipped Moisturizer, and this is a moisture-rich cream with a light as air finish, nourishing your skin for all-day hydration. These are the other two key items that came in my prescription box from the agency by Curology, and this is my Future formula. This has tretinoin in it, and this is the dark spot formula, and this has hydroquinone in it. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So we're going to take a little bit deeper dive into these two products. Again, these were formulated specifically for my particular problem areas or my skin. Agency by Curology provides custom prescription formulas. Their formulas have clinically proven ingredients in them. They are prescribed by a licensed dermatologist, and your prescription is delivered to your doorstep. Again, my particular prescription contains tretinoin as one of the ingredients. And tretinoin is derived from vitamin A. It is a synthetic form of retinol. It is stronger than just regular retinol, and it does require a prescription. Prescription retinol works to boost cell renewal and turnover and replace older skin with newer skin. It helps to minimize skin surface issues like fine lines, discoloration, age spots, and rough patches. And it works over time. So I understand that this is not going to be an overnight type of process for me, okay? Just like with any other retinol products that I've used in the past, it was a gradual type of process or improvement that I had to go through when using those products. So this is not going to be any different. This prescription also contains dexpanthenol, and dexpanthenol is used to improve the skin's hydration. It also contains tranexamic acid, and tranexamic acid helps to fade dark spots, discoloration, and melasma. It also contains niacinamide, and niacinamide boosts collagen production to improve skin's texture, smooths fine lines and wrinkles, and helps to brighten and fade hyperpigmentation. For the dark spot formula, The prescription and the directions of use for this particular product specifically states that it is to be used as a spot treatment only. It contains hydroquinone, and hydroquinone is used to lighten the dark patches of the skin. It takes care of hyperpigmentation, melasma, liver spots, age spots, and freckles. And it's not for use under the eye, so I want to stay away from my under eye area here. And it should not be used over long periods of time. So it's going to be interesting because this is a prescription that is ongoing. It's an online, ongoing type of prescription. So they're going to be checking in with me periodically. They're going to ask me to send updated photos. And I would expect that as time goes on and when they're sending out my next set of prescriptions, that the dose of this hydroquinone is going to either decrease or it'll be removed from my dark spot formula altogether for a period of time, just to be safe on the skin. This formula also contains kojic acid, and kojic acid reduces the appearance of age spots and sun damage. It also contains azelaic acid, that's AZELAIC, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, and the azelaic acid is used to even out skin tone and exfoliate dead keratin cells. I also have some hydrocortisone in this formula, and it reduces swelling, itching, and redness. So these two formulas sound like a powerhouse of skincare improvements. And I'm really excited to share the result of this online prescription with you guys. Again, it's going to be a process. So it's not like, every week I'm going to be able to come back and show you guys what's going on. I think I'm going to be doing more of a monthly check-in because the recommendations on how to use this prescription, first starting off, you would use it once a week. You would see how your skin is going to adapt to it, make certain that there's no irritation, that everything's going fine. And then probably at about a 3-week mark, if everything is going well, then I'll start using it twice a week. I'll go another 3 weeks and then bump it up again, right? If I bump it up and I see that I'm experiencing any type of redness, irritation, itching, or anything like that, I'll take it back down, but over time, I will gradually increase the amount of times I'm using this per week. I'm excited about using these products because it is offering me a higher level of products, prescription products, that can help me get to where I'm trying to go with my particular skin. I'm also excited that this particular prescription, the agency by Curology, also caters to women of color. So I'm really excited to see how this all turns out, and I'm going to keep you guys posted. So let's go ahead and get prepared for our first little shot here. Oh, and by the way, the only thing that I am wearing on my skin today is a little bit of concealer under my eye area, a little bit of liner on my waterline, and lipstick. I'm not wearing any other foundation or anything like that on my skin. No complexion products per se. I do have on some skincare. I did wash, tone, moisturize my face, that type of thing. But other than the concealer in my under eye area, liner, and lipstick, there's no other makeup that I'm wearing right now. So again, let's get ready to take our first little selfie here on our agency by Curology journey. I will leave the link to Curology in the description box below. If this sounds like something that you're interested in, check it out. And then I also want to say, don't just take my word for it. Do some research on your own. You may find some information that maybe I didn't find. And if that's the case, be sure that you share this information with all of us and leave it in the comments below. So I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.